In this video, I will show you how to change your WeChat account phone number safely. Let me show you how. Open up your WeChat app. Go ahead and click on me. Go ahead and click on settings. Go ahead and click on profile. Click on mobile number. Click on change mobile. Choose your country code. So from the list of the country available right here, select your country for auto country code. Having selected your country, enter the new mobile number right here. Once you enter the new mobile number, the next thing you want to do is to click on next right here, and a verification code will be sent to the new mobile number. Enter the verification code and you have your WeChat number changed successful without losing any data. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.